Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about what are some of the online businesses that you can get started in 2021. So I'm sure if you are on this video, I'm sure you're doing your research, or you have gone through multiple Facebook groups, or you're done your research, or maybe you're just trying to search right now. So I'm going to tell you my journey, and I'm going to recommend you something so that can actually help you and stick with it in the long run. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin, and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be talking more about different business models as well, and talking more about technical stuffs. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button. And if you already have a business, or you are trying to get started with your online business but have no clarity where to go, you're just overwhelmed with the information that is out there online. So if you need any sort of clarity, please feel free to schedule a free strategy call. I'll leave the first link in the description. And coming back to today's topic, the number one step, many people I have seen, when back in 2018 I started online business because I wanted to come out of bad debt. I was in bad debt, and I wanted a way to make money, and really I was maxing out on my credit cards, and there were too many things happening. So number one thing, that was my core reason why I came online, and I did the same thing everyone does, how to make money online. And I came across multiple business opportunities, how you can get started. So I'm going to cover what was my strategy back then, so that even when I didn't had any money of it, and I didn't spend a single penny, how I made those money, so that can actually help you. So back in number one step, what I did was while learning about how to make money online, I learned a skill set, that is how to build websites using WordPress. So I have spent enough time, and even there are tools that you can install WordPress for free, and you can play around, and you can come up with your own design. And there are people who are in need of the websites, and they don't really have the time or skill set in order to build one. So what I did was I started contacting people over Facebook. And I didn't had money, definitely, but I had time which I could trade. So I started talking to them, and I started providing service to them, that how I used to build them website, some simple website. It used to take me 30 minutes of my time. So I used to charge them $25, but I didn't know whether that was the right price, because I had no clue how much to charge for that thing. Maybe I was underpricing that thing, or I don't know. Definitely it's underpricing. I don't say $25 is too much for a website. So this is the thing I was doing initially. So providing your services is the number one business model. If you have no money, but if you have the skill set, if you have the time, this is the number one business model that you should go for. So you may be thinking I don't have enough skills to build a website. So that was just an example, my example I gave you. But you can you can come up with you may be good at maths. You can open a tuition center, or you can open an online course. Or if you are into health and health and fitness freak, you can provide consultation to people, how to build their diet, and how they should plan their workouts and everything. And you can charge for that. You are basically trading your time. And if you are good at graphic design, if you know how to do Photoshop. So there are so many skills. I'm just naming few that are coming in my mind right now. There are so many skills that you can monetize, and you can just provide services to people, and people are in need of them, and you can generate revenue from that. So your number one goal should be generating the capital. Many people say you don't need capital to get started online, but I contradictory say you need enough capital in order to get started. But these are some methods that doesn't require money, but it can actually generate you money. So this is number one, the step that I did. And second one was affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, if you don't know what is affiliate marketing, is basically you're promoting someone else's product by referring your friend, your audience to that product. And when somebody buys through your link, the product owner pays you commission, and rest things is taken care by them. So why I chose affiliate marketing? Because I could have if I wanted to build a real business, office setup and all that stuff, crazy stuff, you don't want too many headaches coming to you, especially when you're beginning. So it's very, very important that you stick to very basic, which generates revenue at a really no cost. Once you build that capital, you can invest in softwares and paid ads, and in order to grow that's the secondary part I'm going to talk later. But here we are talking about like how to start online business with no money. So with affiliate marketing, what happens, like you got to come up with a product that can actually provide massive value to people. And a simple example, like my example I'll give you. So while I was building their website, they need hosting and they need domain. So for domain I used to use Namecheap, and for hosting I used to use Bluehost, and sometimes I even tried SiteGround as well. So what I used to do is, like, while I charge them $25, I used to tell them, hey, you need to set up this website, but you need hosting and domain for that. Rest thing I will do, but you need hosting and domain, which you need to do. So I just sent them a link, and I just told them, like, you can just sign up using this link and let me know once you are done. So that's what, like, I didn't even told them like I'm selling something. I just recommended them a product while I set up the website for them. So this could be as simple as this, and you can find many hosting services that have affiliate program. You can go to ClickBank, you can go to Amazon, or you can Google. Like, there are a ton of high ticket and recurring commission programs as well. So you can pick up one and you can start with this. With these two methods, there are other methods as well, like which even require capital as well, but these two are my favorite. And once you start working on these two like consistently, you will see capital gain. And what you can do with that capital gain, maybe you can build a sales process. You can automate the things, like you're trying to reach your clients on manually, but you can run ads now. And like, you can build sales funnels process like unique. You can afford the softwares that you need, and then, like, by simply doing this, like, you are now pumping back the money back in, and you're automating your process, and that's how you grow your business in the long run. So don't fall for those videos out there, like if you want to I have seen many people like make money while listening. I don't know, like, whether they will really work or not, but I'm sure, like, if you are getting started in 2021, I really want you to get started in the right direction. And if you need any type of help with you starting with your online business, be sure to schedule a free strategy call that can actually get you in the right direction. And if you can help you any further, like, definitely we will definitely help you out. And if you want to connect with me personally, I'll leave my email address in the description, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.